Hey everyone, this is Ricky Lee and welcome to the kitchen at the lodge here. Today we're going to be making some dip out of Ricky Lee's 3-bean chili right there. So basically what we're going to do is take some chicken and we're just going to cube it. All right. All right, the chicken is chopped, so we're gonna go over here to the stove, add some avocado oil right here. Get that nice and hot. Now we're gonna get and go over and take our chicken. Add that chicken right there. And we're gonna brown that chicken and get it nice and done. I like my chicken done. Add a little pepper, a little salt. I like lots of salt. So we're gonna let that fry up there, and we come back, we're gonna get the dip rolling. Hey, welcome back everybody. Cooking with Ricky Lee right here. Chicken's done. Got it nice and brown, so we're just gonna move it over here. Gonna add some Ricky Lee's, a jar of Ricky Lee's chili right here. Take our cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese. I take 8 ounces of cheddar cheese and dump about half of it in. Then we're going to go and place it back on the stove and get that all mixed thoroughly, let it all melt up. All right, welcome back. Chicken is cooked, the cheese is melted, so we're gonna go over there and grab the cast iron skillet right there. Bring it back on over here. Boy, that's a heavy skillet right there. Take the remaining of the cheese, lay it all over top right here. Take it over to a preheated oven at 350. And then we're just gonna let that go until the cheese melts and she's ready to eat. So we'll see you in a few. Cheese is all melted, starting to get a little golden right there. Oh yeah. Now is the taste test right here. Corn chips right here. Oh yeah. Ricky Lee's chili at its finest.
I got my family, wife and kids. Small house with a white picket fence. An SUV and a dog. Every day, thank God above. I don't need too much to help me get through life. That's not me. 'cause I've got everything I need in my peace, the American dream. I hear the punchlines and the jokes. We're all fed up with the Washington folks. You see, ladies and gentlemen, our real heroes are easy to see. Lay down their lives to keep us free. I don't need too much to help me get through life. That's not me, no, 'cause I've got everything I need in my peace, the American dream. I don't ask for much, 'cause I just want my peace, the American dream. I don't need too much, no mansion to reach the sky. Oh, it's not me. Got my wife, kids, and freedom, and my peace, the American dream. I've got everything I need, and my peace, the American